Yes, I have no makeup on today. I filmed the try-on portion of this video yesterday when I had makeup on, and then I started feeling really bad, and I was just like, I'll film the rest of it tomorrow. And now we're here, and I didn't want to put makeup on, so. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing a clothing haul, as you can see behind me right here, and a puppy haul. No, she's here. But we are going to be doing a clothing haul today, mostly from American Eagle, because I did get a few things from there, but I also have a couple of items from Urban Outfitters and a couple of items from Abercrombie and Fitch. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do this clothing haul, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you and click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description. If you want to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram, I would really appreciate it. It's the first link below the like button. And yeah, let's get started. Okay. So I am going to go ahead and start off with the things that I got from Urban Outfitters, because I only got two things. And here they are right here. I'll start with this one first. You guys, you have no idea how much of an ordeal it was for me to get this shirt. So they have multiple different colors of this shirt, and this is the one that I like the most. But they have like 3 other different colors right now anyways. They could have more, but I saw this one on her name is Noelle Downing. She is a Instagram blogger and like fashion blogger and stuff, so I actually saw this on her and I was like, yo, that's super cute. And she said she got it at Urban. I tried to look for it and it was always sold out. It took me so long for a small to come back in stock of this sweater, but it finally did, and I just got to it at the right time, and now I have it, and it's freaking amazing. It's so soft, and I love it to the literal bits. So I got this little sweater, and it's very festive, so this can be worn even for the fall and winter time because it's the colors, so you can wear for 2 seasons. Next up from Urban, I got this cute little cropped sweater. This thing is so cute, and it's really comfortable, and it's so soft, and it's very warm, and it makes me so happy. I don't know what it is, but this is so cute. It is very cropped, and I actually got this in a small, and I could return it and get a medium if I wanted to, but I don't really care. I have to wear a bra with it because if I don't, it's not long enough. So if I don't wear a bra with it, it rides up and then it gets shorter and shorter and shorter. So I'm just keep having to pull it down. But if I do wear a bra with it, it kind of sticks to the bra and stays where it's supposed to be. So that's good. But it's so cute and I love it a lot, and it's again very warm, very soft cropped sweater, and they have these in loads of colors. I'll have everything that I'm mentioning in the description if you want to check it out too. Now let's move on to Abercrombie and Fitch. I do have a couple of things here. Both of them are the exact same thing, but I wanted them in 2 different colors. So I got 2 cardigans, and these are my favorite cardigans that I own. I'm obsessed with these. I feel like Taylor Swift in the song Cardigan, you put me on and said I was your favorite. These are my favorite cardigans. They literally are, they are so incredibly heavy. I still have the tags on them and everything because I never take the tags off of my clothes. I never take the tags off unless I've already had it for a year. I don't take the tags off just in case, you know, and if something happens and I decide that I don't want it, or if I decide that it doesn't fit with my wardrobe anymore, I keep the tags on for as long as possible in case I need to return something. But this right here, this is such a gorgeous color. It's kind of like an oatmeal color, and again I got this one in a small, and again same with Abercrombie and Fitch. I had to work to find this because it was sold out online. I could not find it anywhere, but every so often I would refresh the page and see that they had a small in stock, but it would always be less than 5 left, and that would be too late to get to it and they would already all be sold out. But there was just one time where I happened to just be there at the right time, and I happened to refresh the page as soon as that thing came back in stock, and I got this one. And this one is a small again, and it's just beautiful. It lays very nicely. It is very warm. Oh, hello, baby. It is very, very warm. And it's just the nicest cardigan. Also, here is this one. This one is the exact same thing, except I got it in red. I swear I hate these hangers so much. Yeah, except I got it in red. Now this one I got in an extra small because that's all they had available. But I was like, you know what? If it's too tight, I'll return it. But it's actually still perfect. This one is a very deep, dark wine burgundy color. It's very beautiful. I love this color. It's one of my favorite colors. So I got this one and the extra small. It fits literally perfectly as well. I can barely tell a difference between the extra small and the small. The extra small is gonna be a little bit smaller, but it's not tighter, you know? I think it's just all around a little bit smaller, but no part of it is like tight or anything. But so, and it has pockets on both sides, and I love it so much. It is such a nice cardigan. I'm obsessed with it. Just go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, hi. Oh, thank you, baby. I love you so much, but you're too rough with the clothes. Okay, I had to banish Kiva from being in here because she's too rough on the clothes, and a lot of these things are knit, and I'm afraid her little nails, her little claws are gonna just be like, and then something's gonna rip or a thread is gonna get loose. I can't have that. Anyways, we're almost done. The last things we have here are from American Eagle / Aerie. Actually, let's start off with what I have on my feet. I got these. So yeah, so these right here are from American Eagle. These are the comfiest freaking shoes. Like these aren't meant to be like worn outside really, but these are like house shoes, like snuggle shoes. They're great. I have them in a large because I have big old feet, so I did get them in a large. So yeah, but they're very, very nice. They have them in this kind of off-white cream color, and they have them in like a stark white as well, like very white, but I like this kind of brownie cream color. I just thought it was really pretty. So these ones right here are phenomenal. I love these. They're very soft, they're very warm. So if you wanted some kind of new house shoes, then those are there. And they're actually pretty inexpensive. I believe they were only like $23. Not bad. Next, I've got 3 pairs of socks here. I love socks. I don't know why. I really do, but I love seasonal socks any time of the year. Christmas, Halloween, well, not really summer socks, but like summer socks I don't really care. I'll just wear whatever. But like especially like Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas time, I'm like all about festive socks. I got these ones right here, and these ones actually match a sweater that I have from American Eagle. But I got the sweater quite a while ago actually, but I found these socks and they match the sweater and it's very cute. I did get a pair of boots from American Eagle a little while ago. Let me actually just show you those really quick. I won't be able to put them in the try on portion because I've already filmed that, but I can still just show them to you. Here are the boots right here. These are some of the best boots that I've ever owned. I love them so much, and I believe these were only like 50 bucks on American Eagle's website, which I believe is a pretty good steal. They are kind of like a dupe for the really expensive shoe. I don't know what brand it is, but they look like this, and they're like $200, and they're insanely expensive. But these are like the dupe for those. But I got these socks to go with these shoes because if you like let the socks poke out of the top and you have like your leggings or your jeans on, it's very cute. So yeah, and these ones, they are so freaking comfortable. I love these. So yeah, and then I got this gray pair because I just thought they looked cute. I like kind of like is this like argyle print? I don't really know, but I think the print's really cute. I like the sock. It's very soft. And then my favorite ones, I got these. These are like the Christmassy Christmas. They're very cute. I'm really into them, and I love the colors and I love the pattern. So yeah, I got these 3 socks. Next up, I got a little pajama set. Oh, come back. I'm recently beginning like more into like Christmas pajamas. I don't need any more. I have like 4 pair or 5 pair of Christmas pajamas now. I got them all very fast, so I don't need to buy any more, but they are so cute. This one right here it's a long sleeve shirt and pants, kind of like legging pants, but they have little, are they like little dachshunds? Like little dog, like little weenie dog. And they have little pom-pom beanies on and little sweaters. It's so freaking cute. It's so soft. It's very comfortable. I've always wondered why pajamas are so ill-fitting. Like, I've gotten pajamas from the children's place, which I didn't even know they even had adult sizes. I found it online. But I've got pajamas from there. Awful. I got pajamas from Target. Awful. I have pajamas, or I've got pajamas from ModCloth. They're pretty decent. They're pretty good, but you know, it's just I don't understand why pajamas are 1, so expensive, and 2, so ill-fitting. Like, I don't understand. But these ones are not that bad. I do have to tuck it in pretty much all the way and then like kind of pull it out a little bit to make it look better, but I like these. They're very warm and very comfortable, so here's that. And these are part of their like waffle and knit collection, and these ones are from Aerie right here. Last 2 items here, I've got 2 more sweaters. This one right here is actually very similar to the other sweater that I have from American Eagle, except the other one is like a full-on sweater. This one's like a cropped sweater, but it's so cute. I love the print. I love the design of it. It's very Christmas time. I'm really into it. I got these in a small, both of these in a small, and he's so cute, and it's very comfortable. It's really nice. Again, I can wear those boots that I just showed you with these socks, and it would match really good, and I'm really into it. Very cute. Last but certainly not least, this is actually one of my favorite pieces that I got. It's the exact same sweater, but oh my god, I'm obsessed with these colors. This literally reminds me, I don't know if anyone plays Spelunky, but like Spelunky 2, this entire thing right here reminds me of Neo Babylon. If you don't play Spelunky, it is a stage in Spelunky that you have to get to, and everything is purple and blue and green, and it's so pretty. But this entire sweater reminds me of Neo Babylon, the stage, and I just love it so much. I love the colors. I love it. I love how dark it is, but again, it has those pops of color like purple and green, and then it has the burgundy red up here. This is my favorite. I love it so much. So yeah, again, I got this in a small as well. You guys, that has been my haul for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you are interested in anything that I showed off today, then I will have it linked in the description for you to browse until your heart's content. But yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!